Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Android phone without using any third-party apps on your phone. Alright, let's begin. Step 1, you'll have to delete advertising ID. So in order to do that, first open your phone settings and then scroll down until you find your Google services. Tap on Google and this will open your Google ID. After your Google ID is open, you're going to tap on all services and then tap on ads, the very first option. Then you can see an option to delete the advertising ID. You click on it and then tap on delete advertising ID. Once you do that, you go back in your settings and then step 2, you're going to search for DNS and you will have to set a private DNS to apply this setting. So you're going to search for DNS and tap on private DNS. Once you tap on it, there is an option for private DNS and you will have to set it to private DNS provider hostname. And then you're going to type in here dns.adguard.com @guard.com. After you do this, you're just going to click on save and then you're done. Now your phone should be ad free and all of these pop-up ads or display ads should not display on your phone. Thank you for watching.